let me see. No, I want to see if they're giving you some gift. Yeah. No, they don't do that. There's something inside.
Husband also is coming.
So very much.
I'll give me for my daughter.
Sir, 200 rupees, $2 only.
It's 90.
Same $2.20.
And children.
No? Very nice, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah, let's make some noise, everyone in the house.
With some what frosting?
Brown butter and sugar vanilla bean frosting. So I had vanilla that my aunt grew. So she gave
Your
me
aunt grows vanilla.
in her country's one plant.
Just one plant.
Just one plant, yeah.
Where is it? Show me. Show me, show me. Show me. Where is it? I want to see that. One bowl inside. Going from here. What you made? You subscribe?
She made a lot of things, sir.
You subscribe YouTube? You subscribe YouTube? Instagram? Facebook? You did? Take madam, please.
Yeah, big round of applause, guys. She's the winner of Swat Ka Safar.
Yeah, that is why I said that even the green peas that you use has to be pasty, okay? Otherwise, this does not work. Yes. Yes, very nice. Now,
You want me to say, or you last question?
So how can you, I mean, what's the difference when you cook with the borosil and with other utensils?
Hello everybody, this is Chef Arpal, and the difference is that Borosil is leader in certain products like glass bowls and glassware. So they are the only company which use premium quality glassware, which is the glass material also borosilicate, which makes it durable, which makes it stronger, which makes it oven proof. It works on both high temperatures and minus temperatures, hence the glassware is stable. They are also leaders in creating great looking bowls like this, for example. This is their latest good looking things, because as chefs, what is happening is people look at us and they want to make their kitchens look more beautiful. So Borosil has taken this initiative of creating great serviceware and bakeware with these kind of things. These are just not bowls. You also get tiffins in this kind of material and this kind of colors. So you can carry tiffins to your office, stylish tiffins to your office. So Borosil makes very unique things, which makes it a key differentiator between a regular company and Borosil. And it's a complete widespread range. So you name it, you have an OTG, you have a mixer grinder, you have individual choppers, you have chopping boards, you have name it. I mean, the coffee mugs to glass mugs to non-stick cookware, and to cookers, stainless steel cookers, hard anodized cookers, regular stuff. So the range is so widespread that you don't have to go anywhere looking at anywhere. And since Borosil is there since last 50 years, so it is a company who's sustained this period of time, innovating over a period of time, and giving you the best quality in India at an affordable price.